What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all well. Today I'm busy with the Learn Java course on Code Academy, and we are going to be building a droid today. So a droid is basically just a robot that can autonomize tasks and projects that needs to be done. So let's get straight to it. Build a droid. We've set up a robot workshop to build some droids. All that's missing are the instructions on how to create the robots and what they'll do. Can we write a Java class to help? We'll need to define the state and behavior of the droids using instance fields and methods. Let's get to work. So defining a droid, first we're going to start off with the public class called droid. In that public class, we're going to start off with the main. String array args. I'm going to tick these down as we go along. Just above the public static main, void main method, I'm going to declare a new instance called battery level. Actually, I'm going to call it int battery level because I want to assign a numerical value later on, or a number to it later on. Then declare another instance field. I'm going to declare another instance field called name. Just underneath that, I'm going to create a constructor method called Droid. That's going to take in one parameter, which is string. The public class, no, sorry. That's public droid. So inside the droid constructor method, I'm going to assign the parameter value of droid name to the appropriate instance field. So, in other words, name will become droid name. And then battery level, as I said before, was defined by int. As an int variable, we're going to assign 100 to it. Right, so declare instances of droid. Inside main, create a new instance. Instance is going to be droid Cody. Let's just say droid Cody. Set that equal to new droid. That's going to be Cody. But underneath that, we'll start off with a print statement. System.out. The print line. And we're going to print the variable Cody. Right, so this is not very informative, so we're going to need to, in order to make it informative, just above public state void main, we're going to define a toString. So start off with a public method, string, find toString, then we're going to return a actual string, which starts with, just give it some spacing, starts with hello. I'm the droid. Then we're gonna concatenate the droid name, which is just name. Save that quickly. There you go. Hello, I'm the droid, Cody. Okay, then we're gonna define a new method. This method should have a single parameter, so the new method is going to be, let's just do it above the toString. Wait, just below it. Okay, so the new method is going to be public. This method should have a single parameter string toss. The method does not return any value. So if a method doesn't return any value, it's always going to be public void. Then we can say perform task. This method is going to take a string of task as a parameter. Not going to return anything, so let's move forward. Inside of a print statement, like, okay, then we're going to just print the statement to the console. It's going to be name. We're going to append is performing task. So we're going to append task. We run this. Okay. Or save it. Perform tasks is hard. Performing tasks are hard. After the print statement, set battery level to be 10 less than it was before. So just above the print statement, we're going to reassign battery level to battery level -10. Have your droid instance perform some tasks inside of main. So inside of main, just underneath our print statement system out of print line, we're going to start off with Cody dot perform task. going to give it a task of, for instance, run. And there you see Cody is performing tasks. Thanks a lot. Consider liking and subscribing.